Yeah, isa ko kasi Mrs.
Boarding na natin.
Lahat pa tayo nakaupo. Boarding na pala kami, sorry. Tapos lahat kami nakaupo pa. Hindi amin alam. But anyway, umabot naman kami. So, see you again. Guys. Pag nasa Boracay na kami. Thank you.
Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind.
45 minutes.
For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you.
Airplane.
On behalf
Hey, we just landed. Philippine Airlines. Guys, magdi-DIY muna tayo ngayon. Medyo hindi maganda yung weather ngayon sa Boracay. Maulan pa rin after 2 weeks. So ayan, makikita nyo kung gusto nyo mag tricycle or mag sa Southwest Tour. DIY po sa labas. Kita mo, DIY, tricycle to port. So tricycle muna tayo mga kapatid. Tayo ay matipid. I-breakdown natin yung expenses natin later. Okay? 12 kami ngayon lahat eh. Ito nyo 150 for 2 persons. Oh, Marcos. Dito si Marcos. Kasama ko si Marcos. Kalikod silang lahat. Babayad tayong terminal fee. Kasi meron tayong kuripot na kasama dito eh. Tayo magbayad sa Southwest. So DIY tayo. Magkano ba bayad? So ayan yung bayad guys. So 150 environmental fee tapos terminal fee 100. Okay. Okay, pagkatapos naman doon, magbabayad naman tayo ng boat. So ang bayad sa boat 50 pesos. So ayan na si Marcus and his outfit for the day. Medyo hindi maganda ang weather today. Ayan lang guys. Walang sulyap. Ayan. After ng bagyong Kristi. Ayan sila. Medyo lakad mode tayo papuntang Mandarines kasi walang access eh. Guys, dito tayo mag-stay for 3 nights. Mandarines. Pa-welcome pa. Pa-welcome sila. Oh my God. Ay, wow.
Welcome to Mandarines!
So para sa aming gutom na, pwede mag-chowking na rin kami. Yan, so mag-check-in na kami. Okay, I'll do a quick room tour. So meron kaming 2 beds, 2 queen beds. So this room is good for 4. So ngayon, 4 lang kami, wala si Mandela. So meron dito, andito na yung mga bagahe namin. So dyan siya. And then meron silang pa-TV, meron silang electric kettle, Wow! May pa-welcome sila. Although kinain na nila. Ayan. Then, meron tayo dito mirror. Hi! Pagod na siya. Let's eat na. And then, we'll do a quick bathroom tour. So, ito yung shower area. Good enough. And then, the mirror. Meron silang blower. Meron silang sleepers. Bathrobes. And then, yan. So, okay naman. Super lapit pa niya sa D-Mall. As in, beside the D-Mall.
So, we're out and about to eat.
Ay, hindi na pala yung jammers.
Okay.
Masarap nila kumain sa jammers.
Kain muna kami. So, check-in lang namin. So, saan ba tayo kain ngayon, B? Where are we heading?
Late lunch.
Saan? Okay na natin. So, yung mga kasama natin.
Ay, bakit di sila nagpalit?
So, hanap lang kami ng food. Nakakainan namin. So, nasa D-Mall kami ngayon. Ano siya? D-Mall lang siya, no? So, nagstay kami dyan before. I can't remember yung year. Pero nagstay kami dyan before. Together with...
Good morning, guys! It's our second day in Boracay. O, diba? Clear na ang weather. Clear na ang skies. Pero sobrang alon. And, here's the other side. Medyo madumi. And lots of people. We're going to Station 1 actually. Here's me! Hi! Summer vibes in October. October pa na. Anyway, let's go to Station 1. Natin Yep. Masarap ba?
Ba't yung tinignan?
Hi guys, dinner time. So andito kami ngayon sa Two Seasons with the whole fam. Order na kami. Tingnan natin kung ano yung order. So order kami ng 4 cheese pizza. So alam niyo naman, famous to dito sa Two Seasons. And siya yung financer.
Follow niyo pala si ano. Sa
go, go, Sisi. Ay, food coma na naman tayo.
Bibigyan ko sa mga ito. Ang plato ka para maluwagan.
Hi guys. Nag-date batch kami ngayon dito sa Island Chicken Inasal. So dito na kami ngayon. Tingnan natin yung menu.
Ito yung menu ba?
Ayan siya. So pag gusto nyo kumain dito, ito yung menu.
Toast nyo na lang.
Gusto nyo daw, sabi niya.